Hello there, merhaba and hoş geldiniz. It's Ollie. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the Rakitiri, one of the signature cocktails of the TUI BLUE Turkey hotels. As are all TUI BLUE signature cocktails, the Rakitiri was created to capture the spirit of the hotel's location and its country, Turkey. We integrated scents, aromas, childhood memories, so anything that takes you on a journey to that faraway holiday destination. If you're new to our channel, feel free to click the notification icon so you don't miss a single one of the new videos we'll continue to upload. A like is of course appreciated, and please comment as fast as you can type. I'll make sure to reply to each and every one of you. You might be thinking, this guy's a little mad, he's not actually in Turkey, and you're right. I'm at the beautiful TUI BLUE hotel in Sylt, Germany. But I will promise you, you can mix this cocktail wherever you are. Then close your eyes and you're right at one of your favorite TUI BLUE hotels. When I think of Turkey, I think of Turkish breakfast with cucumber, tomato and potolak, or spicy but delicious sucuklu yumurta. I just said this to practice my Turkish. I think barbecue with deliciously freshly grilled specialities, and of course, you're not in Turkey without a nice glass of raki, or two. The Rakitiri is essentially a cucumber smash with a Turkish twist. Refreshing, ice cold and lightly sour, and a little bit of magic. So let's get to this. We start by muddling 3 pieces of fresh, organic, preferably washed cucumber. We do not want to overdo the muddling, just gently bruise it to release the essential oils from the peel. Next, sour in the form of fresh lemons. We will gently rub them, these lemons, to get their juices flowing, and then measure, squeezing them with this handy tool called the Mexican elbow. One part means one full part of whatever measuring device you're using. This helps me since I was never good in math, so feel free to use your jigger or use that Turkish mocha cup that your aunt brought as a souvenir. Honestly, it really needs to get rid of the dust it collected anyhow. Our spirited backbone is a Caribbean rum, blended from 5 different islands with lots of tropical fruit, flavors and almond, and of course sugarcane. I'm adding 2 parts. Finally, a touch of sweetness to balance all these flavors again by using simple syrup. This surely doesn't get any simpler than this. It's 1 part of sugar and 1 part of water, or in other words, magical mixology. If you have industrially produced sugar syrup at home, you might need to experiment with measurements a little bit. While industrially produced syrup tends to stay good in the bottle forever, it's mostly different types of sugars combined together and filled at a much higher sugar concentration. So it's all about the balance of the drink. I would suggest you do it at home. And we want a refreshing and lightly sour mix. Now we will hand carve our decoration, a cucumber wheel, and I'm using this handy tool that I bought at the Thai supermarket that I'm also using for my Thai papaya salad. So welcome to this connected world, Turkey meet Thailand. And here we have it, a beautifully hand-carved decoration. That's such a great story to tell while our cocktail was infusing. So this drink will be for sure shaken hard, and I'm talking about freezing on your hands shaker in your hands hard. This will release all the flavors from the cucumber. So let's get to shaking. And let's get loud. Did I say freezing in your hands kind of cold? Now we will fine strain this drink in a pre-chilled coupette to make sure there's no pieces of the cucumber inside the drink. So we'll just give this a little bit of lemon peel, just a dash. We'll discard this, spray it, give some essential oils on top of the drink. We will put on our cucumber wheel. And here comes the long-awaited star of the show, our Turkish twist. I'm using an aged Raki, double distilled from 100% grape, aged in oak barrels for 90 days, and this is from the region of Tekirdag, which is all the way in the northwest of Turkey. I'm adding just 3 tiny drops using that mocha cup and a spoon. 1, 2, 3. And the rest you should keep for your friends, your family, or your loved ones. And here we have it, the Rakitiri. Oh yes, this is refreshing, like a daiquiri with additional layers of flavor. I can feel the cucumber, it's soothing, and I can imagine rehydrating with this in the smoldering Turkish heat. I'm ready, when can I board the plane? So guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And remember, life is good with a great drink in hand, preferably at your favorite TUI BLUE hotel. See you soon.